Hey, this is John at Agile Offroad. We're up here in Big Bear for the Adventureman Expo, and we'll go over some of the product that we brought. We've got the AirB Locker. We're the exclusive US distributor of the AirB Locker. We're also doing re-gears for the sprinters. If you're not familiar with the AirB Locker, this allows you to get 100% traction in the rear. So here's the display unit here, and they're showing how it differentiates here. You're going to turn on, have an air source, and when you activate the locker, it allows the rear end to lock up, and this gives you maximum traction on both sides. You can also just deactivate this. This system is well used in the off-road industry, and AirB is very, very well known in that industry for the off-road, whether it's racing or just recreational. So one of the other new products that we're showing here at this event, right now we just are showing them, is our reinforcement kits that we're doing for the back of the Sprinter. One thing that we see a lot of is the upper frame cracking. It generally will crack over from this hole here into another location, or from this hole over here. We've also had upper shock mounts come undone if they're not properly torqued. We did do a double shear bracket on this. We've also reinforced this part of the frame. We're helping out in this area as well in the bump stop. Another key feature that we've done is we've reinforced the lower bump stop bracket. This lower bump stop bracket can fail or bend over. We've added a return here and a return here, and this allows us to also tie into the shock mount here. All of what we're building is the orange, and this just bolts over the factory suspension, so there's no real modifications required. Another thing that we've done, a lot of people spend a lot of money on armoring the front suspension, and we see a lot of the wheel speed sensors getting cracked and broken. So what we've done here is just a real simple modification where we're putting on a guard onto the wheel speed sensor. If you have a new Sprinter, a wheel speed sensor I think is about 170 bucks. We're hoping this kit will be about 100 bucks for the pin. And if you're living in your van and you want internet, everybody's going with the Starlink. And this is one of the Starlink mounts that we're using from Star Mounts. And Brandon's done a really good job of making a lot of unique solutions for this. This one's is low profile. This one's set up with the C-suckers. And C-suckers can actually be just mounted to a flat surface, but more of the van customers are just wanting to add this right onto the rack. We can actually just bolt this right down. But as you can see, it's extremely low profile. It's a bit of work getting it in there, but we're selling these, and we're also doing the modification to the antenna to mount it into the low profile mount. So come in and let us know if you need any help with mounting your Starlink on your roof. We'll help you.
Hey, and thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your notifications. We'll be sending out videos weekly, and we look forward to seeing you next week.